I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Prettier is available and Webstorm recognizes it. Install Prettier in the project with npm id Prettier, and then enable the Prettier plugin in Settings plugins. Once done, create a PrettyRC file or add a Prettier field to package JSON so rules live with the repo. Next, point Webstorm to the project's node modules version of Prettier in Settings and make sure the path resolves. This avoids global versus local conflicts. Now you wire Prettier into the IDE behavior you want. Open Settings Tool's File Watchers and add Prettier as a watcher, or choose Settings Languages and Frameworks JavaScript Prettier to use the built-in integration. Once set, configure the scope so it runs on save, on specific folders, or only on manual actions. This avoids surprising mass changes. Make sure Editor Config and PrettyRC do not conflict, and enable Format on Paste if that improves your flow. Finish by validating. Run tools reformat with Prettier on a few files to verify rules apply as expected. Then, add automation like Husky with lint staged so Prettier runs on commit, ensuring consistency across the team. If something fails, check 3 things: the node interpreter path Webstorm uses, that the Prettier plugin is enabled, and that no other formatter or IDE code style overrides exist. If problems persist, restart Webstorm and reindex the project to clear stale caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.